Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and Sheri and Richerson.com. Well, made it through another day. Was actually done early today. Helped finish, or helped somebody else finish up a little bit, and was still out early. It is what it is. I don't mind once in a while getting out a little early. They've been pushing really hard about the overtime though, so they don't want us getting overtime, so they're pushing to make sure we finish early. And we did get the refrigerator taken care of yesterday. I went and got a new water line for it. I got a nice coated, braided water line, rather than just that, simple plastic line. Got it hooked up last night. We ran some water through it. It's been making ice, which we need to get rid of the first batch of ice from it. So, but we're getting there, and it seemed to be working just fine. So I'm hoping it stays working. I'll be really upset if in 4 or 5 months it breaks down on us like the last one. But so far so good. Took a little extra work last night because I did have to drill a new hole for the water line, but I got that taken care of. I also cut a couple of small pieces of drywall and patched the hole that was in behind the refrigerator. Basically, there was a hole where it had been cut out so the water line for the refrigerator could be run, and that was just the plastic tubing. So I was drilling through in a different spot, but using that same hole in the drywall. So I patched the hole that was there, and I need to pull the refrigerator out and finish. I just put my cut pieces in place. I haven't actually mudded them in place and finished yet, but I got at least the pieces in place, and so all I have to do is just tape them off and mud them, and I'm done. So but at least it's done that way. Those holes have been there for quite a while. But anyways, I think that's going to do it for today. So please subscribe, give us thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great evening.